Good afternoon guys, and welcome back to another vlog. This one is going to be a bit different to any others I've ever filmed before, so get excited because we are staying in one of the most unique accommodation I think we've ever stayed in. We're in the Sidaman province of Bali and we're staying at Veluvana in their Manta house, and I can't wait to show you this place just because it is amazing. We have just got here, we've just been shown around our house for the next 2 nights, and we've got our own private pool, which is like an infinity glass pool. I'll show you in a sec. And just so excited. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I will show you around now. Let's go.
Easing out.
Wow. So this is where you come in. This is your like gate door to your thing, and then you come around and look at this. Theo's over here relaxing, and this is what you have come for, the view obviously. So this is our pool and this is our living area over here as well. We've got a kitchen over here, bottle of wine which they've left for us, and then a fridge down here. If we turn around this way, this is where we have dinner every night. So we've got dinner, and then we've got a beautiful pool which looks over these rice terraces. So this is amazing. Then if you come this way, we've got a kettle, bits and bobs and some water. And then one of the most unique things is this bathroom. So look at this throne. So this is our shower here, comes from up here, shampoo, conditioner, and you have got a little curtain here which you can use to create like an enclosure. I'll show you maybe tomorrow how it encloses you. But then you've also got toilet here as well, towels, etc. It's all very eco-friendly here. So you put your toilet roll, if we want to get TMI, in here. But yeah, look at this view. This is the downstairs open living space. There is electricity, so you've got plug points here, light switches, filtered water, which is very important here in Bali because you can't drink the water out of the tap. But yeah, look at this. This is amazing. So this is what you've come for. So yeah, let's go upstairs and have a look upstairs. So look at these steps. Into this, look at this. This is why it's called the Manta house, because of the way that it arches over, and this section at the top here actually closes as well. So then you've got absolutely no health and safety, as everywhere in Bali. But you've got the pool down here, and then this is our gorgeous round bed. They've left us a little note and an offering. We have got a cooling unit if we need it. We've got Wi-Fi and stuff. So yeah, hi. So yeah, look at this space. I'll come behind so you can see what I mean. But look at this. How incredible is that? So yeah, this is the tour, guys. Look at this space. And then to come back down, we've got a toilet down here. These are our stairs. Back down into our living space for the next few days. So many cool little quirky things. So these are all the light switches. The roof, as I said, upstairs closes. And then this is like a doorbell for the waiting staff, I guess, so that if they're coming, because this is a very private resort, like unique experience, that they don't want to just turn up uninvited, so they ring the doorbell to let you know that they're coming, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's get unpacked and check in.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling this heavy load.
So we've just had lunch, which was very kindly cooked by the guys here at Veluvana, and we're just gonna chill out in our private pool over here. have a little swim and cool down because it's still quite warm, but we've just booked a massage for later on, about 5 p.m, so it's a little bit cooler, but it's so much cooler here than it was in Canggu, which is really nice. So yeah, we're just going to relax in our bamboo house. Good evening. So it went dark so quickly. Also, is my face super red or is it just this light? It's just this light. Massage was amazing. Still got massage hair, but we've just ordered dinner and it comes to your what do you call it, bamboo house. So yeah, we've just got dinner. Well, starter has just arrived, so just ordered sweet corn fritter and some calamari, and then they bring our main after. And this, look at this view. I mean, you can't see further out, but it's just really cool being in a little bamboo house. So dinner is served. We've actually gone really traditional and just got a nasi goreng tonight, which, if you didn't know, is like a vegetable rice with an egg on the top, and it's a chicken. And we've got a chicken nugget. Tastes good, but a bit random.
You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come.
Good morning. You will have just seen we were on the bike a second ago. One sec, let me. We've come to Gembleng waterfall this morning. We just got here and it said closed, and we were like, oh no, we've just driven 10 kilometers on the bike to find that it's closed. But luckily, just as we were thinking, okay, what do we do now? Do we just go back? The lady arrived, and it's just a donation to get in. So we just gave her some money, and now we're walking up these steps. So yeah, let's go find the waterfall. So we found Gembleng waterfall. As you can see, it's beautiful. Got all these little pools all over the place. I'm slipping all over the place as well. But yeah, there's one like pool up here where you like walk past and then you climb down here to get to this one. Go on, slide!
Breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
So we've just got back to our bamboo house, and as a treat we decided that we would order a little floating breakfast on our pool. So yeah, we've just I ordered some poached eggs, Theo's ordered some French toast, and we've got some fruit and stuff, and we've got this view, which is pretty cool, I have to say. So yeah, we're just going to enjoy this now, and then later on we're off to a jewellery making workshop, so let's eat.
Things out deep underneath all the laser. Your doubts, there's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair, held underwater.
So this is the walkway between reception and your bamboo house. They've got 5, so they use this like secret walkway with this really good like screen to keep everything really private. So this is how you get to your private house.
Breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors.
Good afternoon, guys. So as you will have just seen, we've had a bit of a, well, not a lazy morning because we got up early and went to the waterfall, but we have just arrived for an afternoon silver jewellery making workshop at Agung Silver Sidaman. So I believe we get to find out how to make silver, how they make it so shiny, and also we get to make our own piece of jewellery, which would be really cool. So yeah, let's go and see how we make some jewellery. Yeah, I like the rope detail, it's cute.
you push strong, fire also comes strong. More quick to make it. After the melting, color doesn't change. This is more strong like this, yeah. If they change, maybe they not pure silver. So this is color very strong. Like this, okay. That's a different rope. Don't worry. Yeah. Good.
Good afternoon, guys. So we've just got back from Agung Silver, which was so much fun. We made some beautiful, beautiful rings, and we had just the best experience. It cost 450,000 rupee each person, which is about 900. It's 900 for both of us, which is about £45-ish, I think. I'll put it below though, just to check the conversion rate. But yeah, we've just got back to our accommodation, back to Manta, but we are actually moving, but we're only moving next door. So we've just checked in to Scorpio. So this is one of their other amazing bamboo houses here at Veluvana. So I can't wait to show you around. We've got another amazing pool, another amazing bed set up. There's a few little quirks and secret passageways and a secret pool downstairs. So yeah, I'm going to show you around now. So as with the other one, we've just come in here, and you come around this way and you walk into this space. Now, first of all, our shower is over here for this house, and then you walk in over here, and you go up the steps and into your space. You've got an outdoor toilet again. You've got, ignore our suitcases, but you've got a little indoor bathroom. And then you've got a little kitchen set up here, so you've got water, and if you did want to cook, you can. And then here's the bed, and I'll show you a little secret trick with the bed in a second as well. But then very open again. We've got a dining table here, and then look at this, there's a pool. I'll take you down there in a second, but look at this view. Yet again, another amazing place. So look at this. And then there's a secret door, which I'll show you now. We got a little pod. So they've got these little pod pool things, which I guess you can just soak in. Quite nice. But we weren't sure how deep they were, but they're not that deep. But look at this place from this angle. We'll get the drone up in a minute, I think, as well. So I've got little stepping stones to this underground James Bond lair. It's just so cool. This is Scorpio. Look at this as it reaches out. You come down the James Bond secret door into this amazing space, and they've got little stepping stones all the way outside. How cool is this? Very cool.
You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feels bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
Tia's just gone to get a massage, so I've decided to read a little bit of my book and maybe watch some Netflix. Good morning guys, so we've just woken up at Scorpio, just had a quick coffee, sat in bed with a coffee and just admired these amazing views, but yeah, we're checking out today because we are heading to the Komodo Islands. So yeah, going to be ending this vlog here, but stay tuned for the next vlog because that's going to be just as exciting. We're going to the Komodo Islands for 4 days, so I can't wait to share that with you. So check out the next vlog, subscribe below and like this video. See you soon.